गुरुर् साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे।
Good morning, scholars. Let's move forward with chapter number 5, People in a Neighborhood. We have already finished the textual exercises. Now, we'll move forward with workbook exercises in this lecture. Worksheet 1. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Now, this is the worksheet already given in your workbook. What are you supposed to do is, looking at this picture, you have to answer a few questions given. So the first question is, which neighborhood place is shown in the picture? Yes, you guessed it correct. You people enjoy going there. You can find children playing here. So it is a park. List the different activities that people are doing here. So you have to find out few activities what these people are doing and you have to write down those. Let's see one by one. Two children are playing on the swings. Can you see a boy and a girl? They are playing on the swing. The lady is reading a newspaper. Here there is a lady who is reading a newspaper. Children are plucking flowers. Two children here, they are plucking flowers from the garden. A child is riding a bicycle and there is one child who is riding a bicycle. Third question. Where would you throw the ice cream wrapper in this place? Now, can you see a boy? He is eating an ice cream and he is throwing the wrapper here. Is he doing a correct thing? Where should be the wrapper thrown? You people guessed it right. The ice cream wrapper should be thrown in a dustbin. You have to find out the dustbin in the park. People do have dustbins in the park also. And if you cannot find a dustbin in the park, you should carry the wrapper home and at home you have to throw it in the dustbin. This is not a good habit of throwing anything anywhere. Which of these activities are harming the park? Now there are few options given in your workbook. You have to find out which are the activities which are harmful for the park. What is the first option given? The child throwing the wrapper on the ground. So here, is he doing an harmful activity? Yes. If he throws the wrapper in the park, there'll be insects. The area will become dirty and insects will come around in the park. And if there are many insects, it's difficult for children to play there. Children plucking flowers. Yes, plucking flowers is a harmful thing. Okay? Flowers are living things. They grow. They also feel hurt like us. They look very beautiful on plants, so we should not pluck them. The girl riding her bicycle on the plants. Yes, the girl is riding bicycle, but she is riding it on the plants. The plants are getting destroyed. All of these. Now you have to tell which activity is harmful to the garden, to the park. Yes, the correct answer is all of this because all these activities are being harmful to the park. How can we keep our surroundings clean? Write any 2 points. Wherever you play, wherever you stay, your surrounding area should be clean and it is your responsibility to keep it clean. So what are the things you need to take care to keep the surroundings clean? Let's see. We must throw garbage in the dustbin. Wherever we are playing, if you want to throw something, it should always be thrown in the dustbin, not anywhere. Even if you are walking on the road, you don't have to throw the garbage on the road. Carry it home, or if you find the dustbins on the footpath, yes, you find at many places dustbins are kept on the footpath. You can go there and put it in the dustbin, but not anywhere else. We must not pluck flowers and leaves. There are many children in our school also. When they enter, our school has beautiful garden and beautiful flowers there. Small children, they pluck flowers, but we should not do that. Even if you find a smaller child plucking flower, you people remind him that it is not a good habit to pluck flowers. Worksheet 2. Read the clues and identify the helper. We studied about the helpers in our neighborhood places. Now, what clues are given? A type of riddle is given, and you have to find out which helper is that. Okay. I am Bharat. It's a name of a boy. I teach students in a school. Who am I? Who teaches us in the school? Yes, a teacher. So he's a teacher. I am Gurpreet. I deliver letters and parcels to people. Who am I? Do you remember our lectures where we saw something and we found some person coming and giving us the parcels and letters? Who is that person? Yes, he is a postman. I am Sarah. I look after ill people in a hospital. Who am I? Who takes care in the hospital if we are there? Yes, a nurse. Now, children, here I have discussed only three because others are also very interesting and you will enjoy doing it by yourself. So, try to do by yourself and then you will be given the answers.